is snow. I just want to point out, that is snow on the ground. We're in the desert of Arizona. Like, not quite to the Mojave yet, but we're definitely not in, like... I mean, I guess we kind of are at in the very, like, southern bits of the Rocky Mountains. This is not what I would consider prime snow territory. Last time I was here, it was like 99 degrees in November. Nobody coming, cool. A lot of the shininess you're seeing on the road is ice, on the parking lot, I should say. But it's a very thin layer of ice that we're crunching right through. So it should still be safe to drive, as long as we keep it slow through turns. Slow and gentle maneuvers is the name of the game until we get to the freeway. And we'll be out of the snow pretty soon. Like, it's not actually that icy west of here. Good grief. Stop squeaking! It's just so weird to see snow here. This is the last place I expected to run into snow. I guess we're not really that far from, like, the places in southern Utah and southwest Colorado where I'm used to seeing snow. But still, generally by the time you get south of the Utah state border, it's like, oh, the snow's done. Or the Colorado border. Even extreme southwest Colorado, it's more desert than... more desert.
350 feet ahead, turn right on ramp to I-40 West.
There's a car following in my tire tracks because I'm cutting a path through the ice. All right, gently, catch you, monkey.
0.4 miles ahead, merge left on I-40 West.
We are nice and heavy, so we cut right through this stuff. It's still snowing, by the way. If you can't tell from the buildup upon the windshield. A little more heat. It's kind of chilly. We've got a full day's driving hours ahead of us. 568 miles on the GPS. We've got a fuel stop in about 3 hours. Near the California-Arizona border, in the Mojave Desert. By then we should be well out of the snow and ice. Oh good, the freeway actually looks pretty good. It's definitely slick though. Not as slick as the on-ramp, but that's a relief.
Stay on I-40 West as US 93 splits off.
I did talk to a Prime driver that had just parked at the Loves right before we were leaving. And he said there were a couple of trucks that went off the road east of here, between here and Flagstaff. So we do need to be careful. It is not completely safe out here. But we can still make a decent clip. They said they were doing about 50 out here themselves, which seems a little bit fast to me, but honestly the road doesn't seem too bad. We'll have to keep our eyes out for worse bits, but honestly I couldn't go faster right now if I wanted to because we're climbing. Flagstaff sure is empty, isn't it? Let's switch to sleeper berth. Okay. Alright, we're parked. We're good. We're done. Moon night is over. How far do we have to go tomorrow? Alright, so 101 freeway is packed. I need to figure out where the fires are, because we're going through the mountains via, from the looks of it, Fillmore and Santa Paula to Ventura, and then coming south a little bit on the 101 freeway to Oxnard. So I want to be very cautious. Is that a freeway? Is the PCH a freeway through Oxnard? Doesn't look like it. No, I don't think it is. No, pretty sure it's not. That's fine. So we're going to come south on 101, take the PCH through town, or should I just go to Route 1? Is Route 1 the PCH, or is it Route 101? 101's a freeway. Hold on. Alright, no, I think Route 1's probably the better idea. Rice Avenue. So it goes down along the eastern side of Oxnard. Looks like it has fewer stoplights and less traffic. I'll check on the fires and let you guys know what's going on tomorrow. We've got a nice clean trailer. I'm currently working on drying it out, though I am going to turn the reefer off overnight and just run it again in the morning to get it cooled down before we get there. I don't know if this customer has a cold storage warehouse on site or if we're just picking up freshly harvested produce that hasn't been chilled yet. So that'll be interesting to see. We're going to pre-cool anyway, just in case they do have their own cold storage warehouse, because they've got some kind of warehouse that can accommodate multiple trucks. So we want to know. We definitely want to know. I can't believe how empty this truck stop is. I was told this place never fills up, but I did not appreciate that it would be this empty. This is kind of awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna go find something to eat, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's Eliodair, AzraAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi. Let me know if you enjoyed the videos by clicking like or subscribe, and of course, come say hi on Twitter at Eliodair, no apostrophe in the username. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, so yeah, I know I ended the video already, but do me a favor, rewind a little bit, or maybe I'll just edit it back in. But did you notice that big glowing cloud as we came out of the blue beacon and pulled over to the parking area here? That was the rocket contrail from a SpaceX launch that happened tonight. We were just in just the right place at just the right time, looking in just the right direction to catch that. So what happened is, as the rocket went up, since the sun had already gone down for us here, the sun was below the horizon. As the rocket went up, the rocket got out from behind the Earth's shadow, because we live on a round planet. So as the rocket climbed, it re-entered direct sunlight, so that cloud glowed like the full moon. It was spectacular. One of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. I've seen a couple of other rocket launches that were very similar, but I've never seen that particular phenomenon happen that close to the ground. So that was particularly awesome, and I am just unbelievably happy that we got to see that, and then I just happened to be looking in the right direction and caught it on camera. I didn't know what it was until after we parked, and I forgot to mention it during the outro, but I was just looking at the internet, and a lot of people in LA were freaking out. And of course, Elon Musk from SpaceX, they're the ones who launched the rocket out of Vandenberg Air Force Base, was joking that people thought it was a UFO or North Koreans. So that was awesome. Go check out the videos of the launch, because a lot of other people got much better angles of it than I did. And yeah. See you guys tomorrow, assuming I can sleep now, which I might not be able to, because that was awesome!